Morning all. Thanks for joining. Am I audible? Afreen, Imaja, can you please confirm? Am I audible? Can you please confirm so that I can start the session, please?
Yes, you're
Sir,
audible.
audible.
Right. Thank you very much. So yesterday we have discussed about AWS account creation and instance creation in Amazon EC2. Do you have any question? So your silent I'll be considering as an acceptance. Okay. I'm not calling you each and every name. If you're silent means I'll take it in an acceptance. Silence means acceptance. No questions. Okay. No doubts. Okay. From today onwards, my dictionary will be converting into silence means acceptance. Silence means okay. Silence means no questions. Right. Thank you very much. So the next question is, how many of you created AWS account yesterday?
I have created the accounts.
Okay, good. So how about the instance creation?
Instance
Yes,
is
it's
not
created.
created.
You didn't create an instance?
Yes, I didn't create it.
Okay, fine. Okay. So please do it. Himaja, what about you?
Yeah, I created those instances.
Good. Thank you. So today I'm moving to the another concept in Amazon EC2. See guys, and let me start this server. I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
It's
So
visible.
yesterday, yeah, tell me, Himaja.
No, I said it's visible.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So yesterday I created the server name demo. The demo I just powered on. Okay. But you can see here. And after the machine power on, it takes at least a minimum 1 minute to 2 minutes to power on, and you can connect the server back. Okay, you can connect the server back. So you can understand the server once it is power on, it's showing is a running status will be shared. Okay, and if the server is in stopped, so shut down, it will be showing as a stopped condition. It will be showing as a stopped condition. Right. So when machine is started and is showing running and status checks will be initializing means the server is started but health check is not completed. So once health check is completed, either here it will be showing green or red indication so that we can understand the server is healthy or not. So please wait for a couple of minutes. So we will get the server status here. Yesterday, whatever the server we created, just now I power on and waiting for the server status here. See guys, so the status will be showing as a 2 out of 2 check passed. That means no issues on the server. No issues on the server. Suppose what is the purpose these servers are creating? I told you, servers are creating for various purpose, for different jobs we can fulfill. So everyone need to understand, okay? Everyone need to understand servers are two types. Sorry, operating systems are two types. Suppose OS, operating systems, are two types. One is server operating system, another one is desktop operating system. So desktop OS, server OS. There are two types is there. And desktop OS example, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. These all are example for desktop operating system. And server, Windows 2003, it's a very old operating system. Even 2008 also is an old operating system. 2008 R2, old operating system. 2012, even this is also 10 years old operating system. 2012 R2, 2016, 2019, 2022. So these are the best example for this operating system for server OS. Both are Microsoft operating systems only, but the difference is desktop and server. So what is the difference is, if suppose this is a desktop computer, this is a server computer. Okay. Here only single user can access. Single user. Single user can access. But in server OS, multiple users can access. So multiple users can access. So here we can install only applications, apps, only applications. Here we can install apps and services. So here apps and services can be installed. Maybe you can think about example, MS Office I can install this application. Even MS Office also can install here. There is no doubt at all. Suppose database server is there. I cannot install on the desktop operating system. I can install on the server OS. The web server is there. I can install on the server OS. I cannot install on the desktop. I can install DHCP server. I can install DNS server. I can install Active Directory server. I can install file share services. So these are the servers I can install in server OS, but it is not supported in the desktop operating system. Because of it is a single user operating system, mostly we can use the purpose for single user purpose. Now can start ask your question here one by one. Now can start ask your question one by one. Himaja, are you on call? Himaja. Somebody joined the name with hello. May I know who's this? Galip? Today also you are not watched the message?
Today there is no message, right? Is there any message? I don't think so.
Okay, fine.
Let me check.
Please check now. My sincere request, brother, can you please watch the WhatsApp now? If your WhatsApp is not sending the message, no, you can directly send a fire message to the admin. Okay, fire message. Why you are not sending the message properly to me? Please directly you can.
No, I
warn
didn't
me.
receive any message today. I received a message to join this only. That I didn't receive any other message today.
Okay, fine.
So this is what class? This is some other class. That's why I was just thinking that OS we are doing Maven, and then we are starting doing OS. So I was thinking on that only why we are doing this.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
So this is a different class or what? Okay.
You're correct. You're correct, brother.
Okay. Then I'll exit. Okay, no problem. So Maven will continue.
You are 1 minute. You are in which WhatsApp group? So guys, Murali, Yoraj, no questions here about the single operating system, multi-user operating system. No questions, right? Good.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So now I'm going to in the server operating system. Yesterday we created, right? Yesterday we have created in this mission. I'm going to install web services role and how the server will be converting into web server and how you can access the web page. How you can access the web page. The concept I will explain today. Okay. So first of all, the server is power on. I need to copy this public IP address, go to run mstsc and paste the IP address and connect. When I click connect, it will ask, hey, what is the username and password? Username, you know, right? Administrator and password. Okay. Password. Get password. Upload file. This is the demo file. And decrypt the password. Copy the password here and paste here and you can connect. Okay. Fine. You can see here, the server is successfully connected. Whenever you connect the server, instantly you don't go to any application open, don't do that. Okay. Whenever you connect the server, at least minimum leave it for at least 1 minute. The server will run smoothly. The background, any processes we need to run, let them run. Okay. So after that, you can start use the computer. Unnecessarily, immediately when you connect the server, don't click any other options in the server. Okay. These are best practices. Whatever I'm giving suggestions, those are our best practices. So now the server is connected. So I will give you some basic things, okay, before installing the web services role, okay. If you're using the server operating system, okay, if you are using the server operating system, so if you want to access internet inside the server operating system, you need to take some precautions. So go to Start, Server Manager is there, open the Server Manager. In the Server Manager, in the left side, there is a local server is there. Click on local server. Here, the complete server information will be there. Okay. If you want to access internet, so internet enhanced security configuration is on, right? Make it turn off. If you're not turn off, what will happen? I'll show you. Example, this is a Internet Explorer. If you open here, if it is open here, this is a by default browser look like. Go here in the new window and type google.com. You want to access internet. You will get this kind of security alerts. This type of security alerts you will get. To disable these security alerts, what you need to do, cancel it, close the browser, and go to Internet Enhanced Security Configuration. Click on, make it turn off, and click OK. So your Internet Enhanced Security configuration is off. Okay. So right now still it is on. Please wait for some time. It will update. Otherwise, here there's a refresh button is there. Click here. Now it is off. Next time when you go to Internet Explorer, you don't get any kind of warnings. You don't get any kind of warnings. Directly you can access it. Understand? Right. So if you wish to install Google Chrome, maybe Internet Explorer is old, yeah, you can install a Google Chrome, no problem. Directly you can run it. Okay, Google Chrome is successfully installed. No problem. I'm closing the Internet Explorer. Now, the next concept is, I want to change the computer name. So here, host name is showing here. It is easily remembering, it's very difficult. So we can change the computer name. Click on File Explorer. Right click on this PC. Go to Properties. Here, computer name is there. You can change settings. Click on Change. Here, computer name will be there. You can remove this and you can give whatever the name you want. Example, this server is in Tokyo. You can give Tokyo. Is a web server, right? Web-001. The server you can create. Tokyo web 001. You must restart the computer mandatorily, because if the server name is changed, computer name is changed, we must restart the computer. You must restart the computer. Meanwhile, the name also, you can change it. Tokyo web -001. Done. Next, I need to connect the server. MSTSC connect. Still the machine is not powered up. Wait for some time. Perfect. Now can paste the IP address. IP address again, you need to copy. And paste here and click yes to connect. Now the server is ready. I'm going to install the web server on this machine. So how to install web server on Windows Server operating system? Go to Start, and here is a server manager. Click here. Next, and this is a window. So here you can click on Add Rules and Features. So when I click here, you'll get this message because of the background process is loading. So wait for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then after, you can click here and you can install the web services role. Okay. Now click on Add Rules and Features. Now click on Next. And don't make any changes. It's a role-based, feature-based installation. And now this is a server we are going to install the web services. Next, and here web server, we are going to select here, add features. Don't make any other changes. Next, and remaining all are default options. Next, 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 install. That's it. Very simple installation, but the server is needed for everyone. You need to set up by tomorrow. For other concepts we need to learn. Okay. So when the web server installation is going on now, so can go and check that a C drive of the server, there is a inetpub folder will be created here, inetpub. This is a newly created. You can check the date and timestamp, 6:15, okay, 2:53. So 1 minute back, this folder is created. So here in the www root, your web page is created. So your installation succeeded. Close it here. Now close this window. That's it. Your web server is ready now. How can I check that? Open the internet browser on the same machine. Okay. And you can type a localhost. When I check that localhost, do one thing. Whatever the IP address is there, same IP address you can browse. That's fine. You can go to command prompt and check ipconfig. This is the IP address. And you can paste here and you can check this. The web page is ready now. Okay. But if the same website you want to access from externally, okay, yes, you can access. How can I access it? Huh? So whatever the public IP address of the server, whatever the public IP address of the server, you can copy and you can paste here. Understand? Is that clear? But
Yes, sir.
the page is not working. May you know what is the reason? The page is internally it is working, externally it is not working. Because the server security group, web port number is not allowed. Web port number is not allowed. Add rule. Web port number is HTTP. Connect from anywhere internet and you can save the rule. Now can refresh this page. Now it is working fine. This is the default web page. Suppose I want to download some beautiful website. Some developer was developing some website and we can copy the web content. How look likes? So you can check in the Google free HTML website templates. We have a website name called free-css.com. We are not a web developers. Okay, we can take any web page. Suppose it's a Logistica is there. So Logistica website I'll be download here. And the file will be downloading here. You can see. And you can go and you can check that downloads location. And you can extract these files. And now open this folder and copy all the files and go to C drive, inetpub, www root. This page you can delete. This is a default web page. And we have a develop one website page. That means we copied from internet. Now we can refresh the page. See guys, our web page is ready. I even externally also, if you refresh, The page is ready now. Understand? This is the way the web servers are creating and copying the content and make them accessing the web page through browsers. So today we created a server, install the web services role, and copy the web content, and we check that. So in the next class, with only IP address we are accessing, right? Without an IP address, we will access a web page with a name. Example, flipkart.com, amazon.com. This type of name we are using to accessing the web page, right? Those concepts we will discuss tomorrow. Understand? Any other question? Any other question, guys? No? So please go and take the recordings, and you can do the lab. In case of any doubts, you please reach out to your admin. They will help you. Okay.
Sir,
Initially, your
if you
admin name is
don't
Vanilla.
mind,
Okay.
send the
Initially,
recording.
initially your admin name is Vanilla. She will take care of it for a couple of days. Okay. Yeah. Surendra, you're telling something.
Sir, send me the recordings. Today's and yesterday's class.
Yesterday you are not received?
No, not received, sir.
One Right away, I'm fixing that problem for you. Just give
I'm
me- Okay.
not in the group, sir. I have not